welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while since my last video, so I thought why not do an unboxing. And as you can see, I changed my hair color as well. So yeah, let's get right into it. So the item I have over here is from Wang. So this bag actually got a few months back, and I really didn't have chance to really try it out and really give you guys an honest review. So I actually got this bag during one Wang event that I was invited to. I was just browsing around in the store looking for something that I like, and this bag caught my eyes. Like, how can not? It's literally blazing in this highlighter yellow color, and I decided to try it out. Initially, I wanted to get like a more dull color, the black, and I saw this baby blue online that I wanted to get, but it's not available on site. So I was like, I try it on and see how it feels and stuff, and I was intrigued. I was like, wow, this color is really hard to pull off, and like what kind of outfit can I match it with and stuff like that. Annoying my brother for a long time, I decided to get it. So a right definition of this color will be bright yellow with a hint of neon green in it. Like, it's just super cute. It's like literally reflecting off like lights and everything on my face right now. So yeah, I'll show you guys a close-up right now so you guys can get a clear idea of how it looks like and what to expect. So yeah, let's get right into it. So this is how the bag looks like close up when I got it. It comes in this plastic bag, Wang, the information about the bag, and that's how the bag looks like. You can see Wang, New York, which is like inverted right here, and the bottom looks like this. The behind looks like this, and the handle is a very simple one. It's made of cloth material, so you gotta be more careful because initially when I brought it out, I noticed some like stain right here, like at the back bottom part, and if I touch makeup and touch my bag, there will be some stain as well. But if you clean it in time, it should work out fine. Like, you can use some soap or something to rub it on, and use paper towel or wet tissue to get it off your bag, so everything should be yeah. So I put the stuffing in the bag when I'm not using it to help it keep it out. So inside it comes with this. So explain to you, this is Orion small black and in the soft glow stick color. And inside there's the tag here as well that says Wang. And inside it's just a very simple bag with like easy compartment where you can slot your stuff here. As you can see, there's some stain here that I see, but itself, it is actually quite spacious. You can put a lot of stuff in. I even managed to put one of my workout outfit in along with some makeup and my card holder as well. So this bag is really nice as well. You don't have to be worried that people reach in and steal stuff, because you can easily tighten with these two straps over here. You strap it on, it looks like this. Really easy and simple mechanism, which looks super wonderful. So the front looks like this, and the back looks like this. It's a really nice neon color. It looks more soft in this video, but in real life, if you see it, it's really like popping and like wow, you know, like super eye-catching and stuff like that. So yeah, it's great to pair with like if you like adventurous outfit, or even a whole black outfit works well as well. I like how soft it feels, but not overly soft, that it loses its texture and form. It's just right, and yeah, I love it so much. I got it for around like 880 Sing dollar. Super worth it as well. So yeah, it's like I think it's a great collection. So thank you for watching it till the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and do let me know what you guys think about this Wang bag, and do you guys think it's worth it? So yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.